Hi, this is my review of the Drops of Nature mushroom gummies. This is a 12-in-1 focus gummies, and this is what the gummies look like. They are they are soft, and they're in the shape of gummy bears. So they really taste good, and they're recommended that you take 3 per serving. And there are 75 in the container. It has in it reishi, cordyceps, chaga, turkey tail, maitake, shiitake, um, reishi, vitamins B12, vitamins B6, green tea, L-theanine, and vitacholine. So these mushrooms are so good for you. Have you ever gone throughout your day and just lost your focus and unable to concentrate and get through the rest of the afternoon? Then you don't have to struggle with that any longer. These mushroom gummies help you stay focused, and it also helps with your energy levels. That is just a wonderful thing. And it's caffeine free. You don't have to worry about consuming so many cups of coffees and having that caffeine crash or jitteriness, because this is totally caffeine free. It is such a clean gummy that there are no fillers in it. It is just a clean gummy. It's vegan friendly, no corn syrup, simple ingredients, gelatin free. It has 21 calories and only 4 grams of sugar. So it's very low in sugar. And it tastes so good that you won't have a struggle taking them, because we know with mushrooms, it doesn't always have to have a pleasant taste, but these are very pleasant and easy to consume, which is a good thing. So if you are struggling with an afternoon crash and unable to concentrate and focus because of brain fog, what have you, then check these out. Thank you.